Here we go again. Up here at Maple Motors, getting ready to do another lot walk. Let's get it.
Wasted a lot of time sitting down here by this lake. A lot of things went through my mind. Should I go or should I?
Welcome back, guys. Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. In today's lot walk, we're going to be going around here and point out all the new stuff that we got in this last week. Be sure to check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information. There's also a bio about us. And every Monday we update with new inventory. We're gonna go ahead and get started. We did have a lot that we updated with. We had about 10 cars ready and ended up only putting 7 on. And you'll see them pop up here. They say sold fast. I'll still show you the inventory that comes through. A lot of people will buy these cars just by coming in here. You know, you get to see it first. So there's no list. So if you call, try to get on the list. It's kind of a waste of time. You know, we don't have a list here. I usually just tell you to check on the website every Monday. Reason I'm saying that is just save everybody time here. Coming around on the front row, we're gonna start with this one. I'll tell you the year and the price. This one right here is a 1976 Cutlass, and we got it for $11,900. And of course, right next to that, a 1972 Chevelle. This one's kind of got like a drag setup, a roll cage, got the tack on the dash, no back seat, floor shifter. And right next to that, we just got this car last week, and it's already sold. It was a 1972 Chevelle. We had it at $28,900. This one's new inventory, a 1965 Plymouth Barracuda, 4-speed, $18,900. Looks like a new paint job. The interior is nice on this one too. You can see they've changed out the carpet, the seats. Looks like the dash pad's fairly new. Good little runner. This one just came in, 1971 Chevelle. A fairly stock car. Great running and driving car. This is one of those that I typically wouldn't say everyday driver, but you could do it with this one. $28,900. Coming on over to the left side of the lot, we got 2 new Camaros in this week. Well, actually 3, but 2 in 1967. This one is a yellow 67 Camaro for $34,900. 327. I think it was a Daco Correct motor. And then the convertible right next to it for $35,900. It's a 1967 Camaro as well. This is a really nice 87 or 81 model, sorry. And it's $21,900 with the T-tops. It's got the black interior, automatic. Right next to that, how about a 1980 Camaro? This one's 16.9. Walking right past that to a 1974 Pontiac Firebird, and this one's 17.9. I know you've seen this one before. We had a deal fall through on it. The first time that it came into the car lot, we had a local customer buy it. And of course, we like trades. We accept trades all the time, and the local customer likes to trade with us all the time. So he ended up trading this car back in after about a year of driving it to shows and having his fun with it. This was a 1967 Chevy 2 Nova, and it's 24.9, 350 louvered hood. With a decent set of weld wheels on it. And then of course right next to that, a 1965 Ford Falcon. I do believe it had the 3-deuce setup. 13.9. Okay, so we're going to continue the lot walk, but for now, let's go to the Hot Wheels room. I'll see you here in a moment. So right next door to Maple Motors, we've got Pops' Hot Wheels room. It's a huge store of collectibles, and if you're interested, you can just go in there, ask Pops. Let's see the collector cars. He'll bring you next door. You also have Jim Fights Hot Wheels channel here on YouTube. Jump over there, subscribe, and see content where you can find out actually what's in this room. Let's head on back to the car lot and see what else we got available for you. Thanks. Back out front here, 63, 64. Let's talk about them. 1964 Impala sitting here, 327, 32.9. It's a beautiful car, nice paint job. Of course, there's going to be flaws. That's why I do the test drive videos for each individual car. If you're new to the channel, you can check that out under playlist. Some people say they can't find the videos. Just go to the playlist. You'll be able to see what is currently available, or you can type in hashtag stock number. Just like this one, it'd be 1963. You could just 1530. And this is a 63 Bel Air for 24.9. Yeah, if you ever have any issues finding the cars, you can call us. But the easiest way to do it is type in Maple Motors 1963 Bel Air, or use the stock number. Corvette already sold. It was a beautiful car, waiting to go out this morning. That's why it's sitting up here in the front. But towards the end of the video, I will show you some of the stuff that we already sold last week that we have in the back. Of course, anything in the background of the videos that I don't mention or show, that means it's not available. So we'll go ahead and start with this. This one's already on hold as well. 1967 C10. With a modern bed. I'd say like early 90s bed on it. Pretty cool. Got some personal rides behind us. That's why I'm keeping them out of the video. Y'all gonna be calling about the personal rides. This one right here actually sold this morning, about 5 minutes before I started making this video. It was a 66 C10 with a Vortec motor. And of course, we sold it for 21.9. What about this one right here? 24.9, 1967 Chevy Caprice. I got a few more in the back. Let's go check them out. Just like this one we have sitting in the back here. It's a 1967 Chevy Biscayne, and we have it for $12,900. It's also got the big block in it. Of course, right next to that is a 1980 Corvette, and this one has the $89.50 price tag on it. Okay, walking back out front one more time. We're going to walk around the lot, just kind of look over the cars that we've already walked through that are available. And guys, just to fill you in, we're a family business of 40 years here. I am the youngest. Started picking up doing the videoing. I used to detail cars, clean them, work on them. Now I just work on them and video. With that being said, we just buy and sell here. All I do is I go out to shows and pick these cars up, and then we turn around after we clean them and sell them. I tell you what's wrong throughout the videos. That way you know what you're getting. We try to be honest and upfront with you to tell you all the issues. You can see 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com, along with financing and shipping that we do have available for pretty much anybody to check out. You can go and check, see if you can get qualified. If you get pre-qualified on Mondays when I update, this is where you need to go. maplemotors.com on Mondays at 11. See all the fresh new inventory. The way you can be first, because there is no list. You call to try to get put on the list, 100% of the time you probably won't get a call back. We just don't have any means of keeping up with that. There's a lot of calls that come through here. Okay, gonna start up here, walk the lot one more time. 76 Cutlass, 11.9. 72 Chevelle, 25.9. Another 72, 28.9. Got the 65 Plymouth Barracuda, which I'm going to be test driving here in a minute. Should be pretty good. I got to beat all this rain coming in. The old Cuda here is, or Barracuda is 4-speed, 18.9. Beautiful paint job. It's gonna be a good piece. Another new one, 71 Chevelle. Test drive videos out. Go check it out. You can see how this runs and drives down the road. 28.9. We do have other social medias as well, not just here on YouTube. I get a lot of calls from TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. The Snapchat's pretty much behind the scenes, what we're doing after work. A lot of times it's what's going on during work too. So go over and subscribe to those. This one's a 1967 Camaro, 34.9. Another 67, but this one's a convertible, 35.9. 81 Camaro, 21.9 with the T-tops. It's gonna be a good piece there. All three of those are new this week. '80 Camaro, 16.9. '74 Firebird, 17.9. '67 Nova, 24.9. And the 65 Falcon, it's gonna be 13.9. This is another one I need to try to get done today, so be sticking around for that video. And of course, if you do see cars in the background, a lot of them, if I'm not mentioning them, they're not available. It's gonna be a personal ride most of the time. We do have quite a few of those around here. This is what we've done the last 50 years so. We've got the 64 Impala sitting here for 32.9. And we've got the 63 Biscayne, well, Bel Air, 24.9. I gotta make sure I say that right because we got it tagged 2 different ways on this car. But it is a Bel Air. I think in the test drive video I called it a Biscayne too. Hey, it's right there. It's a fine line. Of course, the Corvette's already sold. The 2 trucks are already sold there. And there's personal rides in the background. Of course, we got this one and the Corvette in the back for $89.50. And also the Biscayne in the back that I showed earlier. But this one's gonna end the video here. It's a 1967 Chevy Caprice, $24,900. I say that, and I may go back here and show you some of the sold cars that we had go out last week. So if you want to stick around for that, we're going to be doing that here in just a second. But you know, I got to tell you to go to maplemotors.com because a lot of people don't know what that is still. And it is our main website with all of our cars up to date, financing, shipping, detailed pictures, and history of Maple Motors. With that being said, I appreciate it, guys. Let's go check out some more cars. We finally got some of these cars picked up, and this is the ones that have been sold. 66 GTO, 71 Corvette. I really like this Camaro. It's a pretty nice car. 73 Camaro. 71 Duster. I love this truck. We may be getting it back soon. I don't know. We'll see if it pops up. Right now it's still sold. It was a 65 C10. We've already sold that 64 Impala there. Yeah, we get them tight so people don't mess with them. That was a pretty sweet car. That thing sold fast. And then of course you got the 68 Camaro sitting there. And this old 55 also sold. There's a few more things sitting around the lot that have sold that are getting ready to become the new awning ornaments. So we go into 3-4 spots to fill up in here today. Just haven't done it. Not yet. All right, guys. I'm going to get out here while the sun's still shining. They said it was going to rain all week, so that's going to put me behind. I need to take advantage of the sunshine. I got to get out here and make some more test drive videos for you. Don't forget to check below in the description to see, you know, our merchandise and all the different information that we're going to provide for you about Maple Motors. Guys, thank you again, and I'll see you in the next video. So coming up next is a clip from Brian's Motorsports right down the road from Maple Motors. Go check them out when you come and see us. Look at this. See you later, Brian. That's funny.
Wasted a lot of time sitting down here by this lake. A lot of things went through my mind. Should I go or should I stay?